Top 5 beauty tips with sugar. Sugar is a common ingredient available in everyone's kitchen. Here are 5 beauty tips with sugar. First tip: pigmentation and dark spots. For this we need lemon juice and sugar. Take a bowl, add 1 tablespoon of sugar and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Mix well until sugar dissolves in lemon juice. Wash your face and apply this mixture all over the face and leave it for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, wash it with cool water. Do this weekly thrice for better results. By doing this regularly, you can remove dark spots and pigmentation. Second tip: anti-aging. For this, we need sugar, milk and aloe vera gel. Take a bowl, add 1 tablespoon of sugar and 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel and 1 tablespoon of milk. Wash your face and apply this pack all over your face and leave it for 10 minutes. Then gently massage with some water and wash it with cool water. By doing this weekly twice, you can reduce pigmentation and dark spots. Third tip: suntan. We can remove suntan by doing the following tip. For this we need sugar, tomato juice and basin flour. Take a bowl, add 1 tablespoon of sugar, one tablespoon of tomato juice, apply this on your face and leave it for 10 minutes. Then wash it with cool water. Do it weekly thrice for removing tan on the skin and you will get clear fair complexion. Fourth tip: lightening dark lips to pink lips. We can change dark lips into pink lips by doing this. For this we need sugar, olive oil, lemon juice. Take a bowl, add 1 tablespoon sugar, 1 tablespoon lemon juice and 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Mix all ingredients well. Apply this on your lips and leave it for 10 minutes and wash it with cool water. Do it regularly for 10 days. By doing this, you can reduce darkness on lips and get pink shiny lips. Fifth tip: scrub for all skins. For this, we need rice flour, sugar and milk. Take a bowl, add 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of rice flour and 1 tablespoon of milk. Mix all ingredients well. Wash your face and apply this paste and massage gently in clockwise and anti-clockwise directions for 5 minutes and leave it to dry. Then wash it with cool water. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe for more videos.